Hi and welcome to some more pizza ramblings. So tonight we're going to try some of this Salsa Tartufata. It's mushrooms and summer truffles all blended up. It doesn't look great, I have to admit. I haven't tasted it yet, but apparently it's really nice. So we're going to have a crack at that. And the other thing to mention is that I have started a group on Facebook which is Pizza Ramblings. And it's a companion towards the channel really, so it enables you guys to post pictures of your pizzas and setups and things like that. So I thought it would be pretty good to have. So there we go. Right, let's get on and make this pizza. Okay, it's time to try this stuff. So I'm going to make a pizza for my mother-in-law now. And she wants this stuff on. I haven't tasted it yet. Looks a bit mushroomy. Wow, that's quite nice actually. The truffle kicks in a bit later on. At first you taste mushroom and then truffle afterwards. So this is in olive oil. Now what I've been told is that if you don't use all this up in one go, which you're probably not going to do, what you do is you refill it with olive oil again, stick it in the fridge, and it will form a cap on top of it, a solid cap which is airtight. So that's what I'll probably do if I don't use it all tonight. But let's get on and make pizza. So usual stuff today, not Molino, I'm on the Nuvola. But this is only an 8-hour pizza dough. So it's not mega, it's okay. Doesn't seem to have a lot of gas in it. The pizza's come out all right, but I was actually doing another video to show you, but I totally messed that one up, and that was using some flour called Manitoba, but it didn't come out very well at all. This doesn't feel overly gassy. Let's get this in a little bit. So I don't know what this stuff's going to be like to smear on the dough. It's quite a thick consistency. Okay. Just give it a quick stretch. Okay. Right, I don't think I want too much oil on this, but the whole thing does seem to be swimming in oil, so maybe that's the script. Wow, you should smell it. I don't think you want it on too thick either. It's really strong smelling. A bit more for that. Yeah, you're definitely not going to go through a jar of it in a session, I don't think, for sure. There's loads of it. Okay. So, usual state of affairs now. Cheese. I thought we might as well go on the mushroom theme. So I have woodland mushrooms, all different types, which I've cooked previously. So it's going to be quite mushroomy.
chicken. Just add a little bit of colour. These things are ace. You can get hold of these sweet pepper dews. They are chopped. They're tiny little peppers. They're not hot, but they're very sweet, and they've got a very mild warm kick. Right, better put a bit of onion on as well. Let's get this on the peel. Can't say I'm impressed with this dough at all. It doesn't look very good. A bit more chicken in places. Extra cheese. Parmesan and oregano on top. Splotch more there. Okay, let's see what this comes out like. Okay. Break the seal. Yes. It's looking good. Seem to have grown some strange looking bubble. Looks good. Right, I think that's a wrap. I don't know what that's all about. But... oh, mama. Oh, you should smell that. So there we go. Salsa Tartufata. Looks a bit bizarre, but it smells really, really good. Really nice, that. So I'm sure my mother-in-law will like that. There we go. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. See you soon.